Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials in front of you. Start now by prepping the notebook spine and page edges. Lay out pens, pockets, glue, ruler, and sample inserts so you know what fits. Once done, trim any inserts to the notebook size and reinforce holes with reinforcements. This prevents tearing and improves longevity. Make sure to number the first 10 pages for an index, then insert a simple plastic pocket at the back for loose items. This gives immediate function while you build the rest. Now you construct the core system. Design inserts that match how you plan your time. Use a grid for weekly spreads and a column layout for monthly overviews so you can scan quickly. Once you print or cut inserts, stack them in order and test fit in the binder or spine. Adjust margins and hole placement to prevent catching. Also add dashboards and labeled tabs between sections. This helps you flip quickly. If you want modularity, choose a binding that allows easy reordering. Finish by securing the cover and adding practical extras, an elastic closure, pen loop, and adhesive pocket for receipts. Label your sections and create a one-page key so you can read symbols quickly. This reduces friction when you actually use the kit. Use the system daily for a week, then tweak spacing or insert frequency based on real use. If pages tear or holes misalign, repunch using an adapter or move that insert to a removable sleeve. This preserves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.